Thanks to an incredible and diverse community, TensorFlow has grown to become one of the most loved and widely adopted machine learning platforms in the world. This community includes researchers who use TensorFlow to do things like forecast earthquake aftershocks and detect breast cancer, developers who are using it to identify diseased plants and to perfect yoga poses, companies who are using TensorFlow to improve their customer experience, and, of course, all of you. We're so excited to have you as part of our community. TensorFlow recently celebrated its 3rd birthday with a look back at the features added through the years. We're excited about another major milestone, TensorFlow 2.0. TensorFlow 2.0 will focus on simplicity and ease of use, featuring updates like easy model building with Keras and eager execution, robust model deployment in production on any platform, powerful experimentation for research, and simplifying the API by cleaning up deprecated endpoints and reducing duplication. We're very excited about TensorFlow 2.0 and the changes to come. TensorFlow has grown from a software library for deep learning to an entire ecosystem for all kinds of machine learning, from complex neural networks to traditional methods to AI on mobile and embedded devices. TensorFlow 2.0 will be simple and easy to use for all users of any experience level on all platforms. So why wait? Try out the nightly build of TF 2.0 today. We're excited to see what you create.